Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8.0 update, which is based on Android 16. The rollout began on September 15th, and the very first devices to get it are from the Galaxy S25 lineup. That includes the Galaxy S25, the S25, the S25 Ultra, and the S25 Edge. This release isn't a shock, since Samsung had already confirmed the update would arrive sometime in September, but the company never shared an exact date. So many users were surprised when it finally appeared. Like always, the update is rolling out in stages. That means not everyone will get it at the same time. For some users, it might take weeks or even months before the update shows up on their phones or tablets. Now let's talk about why this update is important. One UI 8 is not just a small refresh. It comes with a long list of new features, changes, and improvements. Samsung has mainly focused on three things: artificial intelligence, customization, and security. First is AI. With One UI 8, Samsung has made the interface smarter. Features like the Now Bar and Now Brief are more useful and deliver faster, more relevant information. The AI Select feature has also been redesigned to make it easier and more natural to use. All of this is meant to save time and make your phone feel more personal. Next is customization. One UI has always been known for letting people change more things than stock Android, and One UI 8 keeps that tradition alive. Users now get even more freedom to adjust how the phone looks and feels, from themes to widgets to system colors. Samsung has also improved apps like Calendar, Clock, and Reminders to make them more practical for daily use. Then comes security. Samsung has updated its Knox security platform to give users stronger protection for their personal data. Secure Folder has also been improved so that sensitive apps and files stay even more secure. For people who care about privacy, this update is a big step forward, but those aren't the only improvements. Samsung DeX is now smoother and more powerful, giving you a better desktop-like experience. QuickShare has been redesigned to make sending files between Galaxy devices faster and easier. Bluetooth Oracast support has been improved, so you can share audio with multiple devices at once. Even the Weather app has been completely refreshed with a new design that looks better and provides more useful details. So, which devices will get this update, and when? Samsung has released a roadmap that runs until the end of 2025. The Galaxy S25 series, of course, is the first to get it and has already started receiving the update. After that, older flagships like the Galaxy S24 and S23 models will follow. Then the Galaxy S22 lineup. For foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 should get the update very soon. Older models like the Fold 5, Flip 5, Fold 4, and Flip 4 are also included. The FE lineup is also part of the plan. Devices like the S24 FE, S23 FE, and even the older S21 FE will get One UI 8. Tablets aren't left behind either. The Tab S10 series, Tab S9 series, and Tab S8 series will all be updated. Samsung's FE tablets, such as the Tab S10 FE and Tab S9 FE, are on the list as well. The Galaxy S series has a long list of devices scheduled to get the update too. Some of the most notable ones include the Galaxy A56 5G, A55 5G, A50 for 5G, A36 5G, and A35 5G. More affordable models like the A26 5G, A25 5G, A17 series, A16 series, and A15 5G are also included. Even budget-friendly phones such as the A07, A06 5G, A06, A73 5G, A53 5G, and A33 5G will get the new software. It's worth mentioning that the list isn't complete. For example, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition doesn't appear, and some region-specific models like the Galaxy F and Galaxy M series are missing too. Still, this roadmap gives us a good picture of what to expect. Aside from the Galaxy S25 series, most other devices will start getting the update from October onwards. The rollout will continue until the end of 2025, so users will need to be patient. If you own a Samsung phone or tablet, it's a good idea to check for updates regularly. Even if you haven't received One UI 8 yet, it's only a matter of time. By the end of next year, most Galaxy users will be running Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8 on their devices.